Yo, chat. Are we recording? Looks to be. Why is the screen black? I can't. No video output. Okay, we should be recording. Yo, YouTube. Finally uploading again. I am on my way to sell some stuff. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'll be selling all types of stuff on Facebook Marketplace. That's what I'm on the way to do right now. I have this bad habit, like, where I stop. I hate hoarding stuff. I can't hoard stuff. Like, if you guys look inside my bedroom is, like, mad empty. I just now, like, started decorating it and, like, try putting up, I guess, like, portraits and stuff on the wall, you know, try to make it look pretty, but I hate hoarding stuff. I don't know. Like, if I'm not using it or if it's just, like, there, I try selling it. Because I would just throw it out or, like, give it away, but nah, I'm gonna sell it. Like, make a little $2 on the side. When they ask me, what do you like? Do you side hustle? I'm like, yeah, bro. Sell this cash for $2. Yo, we gotta drive though. 34 minutes. I went to a car meet yesterday. I should have recorded it, but I'm not. Bro, I didn't even record videos for TikTok or nothing. I didn't record nothing yesterday. Nothing. I got home and I was about to try to upload something. Like, yo, I just realized I didn't record no videos, not even for TikTok. Let's turn some bubbles on. I like to hear the farts. Papi, you're gonna cut me off just like that? I mean, I don't know. It's a butthole. Bro, my transmission has flaring. I think that's what it's called. Like, when you shift, imitate it. It goes like, and then when you shift, it goes like, you know? I don't know if that makes sense. I hope y'all understand what I'm trying to say. Basically, ouch. Basically, like it sounds like it's stressed. But I heard it might be because I have low transmission fluid. I did a transmission flush. I did a transmission flush when I first got the vehicle. And I took it to Infinity, but if I'm being honest, I'm not taking my car to the dealership. Like, I don't trust dealerships. Like, especially for like lube tech stuff. Me personally, at least, I have a friend that works in the dealership, and he told me like they put all like the new guys and the newbies, you know, to do oil changes. I want 5 years experience. No, I'm just trolling, but I take it to my boy. He does it for me. Gives me a good price. Dude, let me show y'all my side skirt real quick. This all happened last night. I went to a car meet last night. Bro, I don't have the keys. Dude, forgot my keys inside. This happened yesterday. It sucks. But what I'm gonna show you guys was this. Oh my gosh, what is that? Bro, this axle wasn't even like... Bro, it's cooked. If you guys do have all-wheel drive Q50s, or I think any all-wheel drive... Yo, I didn't even see this. This is from yesterday. Yo, this was cooked. Any all-wheel drive Infinity? I don't walk around. For sure, upgrade your axles, cause, bro, these cars cannot handle being low. But little story time from yesterday. I went to a car meet, and it's a car meet in Georgia. I went to a fast lane, and then I went to a ruined. But yeah, I was pulling into the thing, and this car was like in the middle of the lane. So then I kind of like squeezed myself a little bit like to the right, and there was a median right there, and I guess I went over it, messed up my side skirt, and cooked my rims. Show you these rims. Oh, where's it at? Bro, these rims are kind of damaged all over. So this was already before. You don't really feel it. Oh, it's all the way on this side. Wakala, oh my gosh, so bad. Scooby-Doo so bad. I just changed the camera settings. But yeah, man, that happened yesterday. Little story time, man, that sucked. But it's all right though, cause I am gonna get a different style side skirt. I didn't like the ones I had. I'll show you guys. It's on this side. It's all wobbly. I don't know if you guys can see. It kind of hangs, especially this side. It's just weak. It just flops a lot and doesn't stay on there good. But I do got some nice ones coming in. I gotta get those paint matched. Check out these rims. These rims as well. Hold on. These are all pretty bad, scuffed. I'm gonna try to get these fixed though. Get these rims fixed up. Find a guy in Georgia to buff that out. Make it look all new again. But yeah, man, it's probably gonna be it for today. I just wanted to record a little bit, give you a little POV and a little update what happened yesterday, man. But man, that sucks. If y'all do not follow my TikTok, I'll put it in the description. I post a lot more on there. I'm gonna try to make more longer. I usually do like editing videos or like edits of my car on TikTok, but I will try to post more, I guess like long term or like long form videos. Try something different. Yeah, man.